ಸಖತ್ ಸುದ್ದಿ ಮುಂದುವರಿಯುತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಚಿನ್ನವನ್ನ ಮಾರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೋಚಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಸಿಂಪಲ್, whitegold.moneyಗೆ ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಚಿನ್ನವನ್ನ ಮಾರಿ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಹಣ ಪಡೆಯಿರಿ.
I am Dr. Ravindra CS, a primary care physician, with a message for the hypertension day. See, hypertension is a chronic disease, often known as a silent killer, because it is already present in our body but gives you no symptoms, thereby damaging your vital organs like heart, eyes, kidneys. So it's very essential to know, find out whether you have hypertension or not. See, the hypertension, at least 20 to 30% of Indians are suffering from hypertension without them even knowing what it is. So it's always better to screen people, at least people above 40 for hypertension. So that is the most important thing. So once you know that you have a hypertension, how do you go about it? What can it do? It can damage your body like heart with cardiac failure, coronary artery disease, or you can get a stroke. Your eyes may become problematic and peripheral vascular disease may also occur. Also your kidneys may be damaged due to uncontrolled hypertension. Once you know that hypertension is there, you contact your doctor so that he will do some investigations to find out whether it is a primary or just the most common thing. About 80 to 90% of people suffer from primary hypertension. Control is by one, lifestyle medication, lifestyle changes, then by reducing your alcohol intake, stopping smoking, and also regular exercise and eating a proper food. Once that is done, some people may have a normal blood pressure without medication, but most of the people will require 2 or 3 medications to control their blood pressure. And there are some questions also. People ask, when can I stop this one or when can I reduce? You should not reduce the medical treatment without consulting your doctor. So even if it is normal, go to your doctor, have a conversation with him whether it can be controlled or not. So don't do that without the doctor's advice. Don't stop the medication. So these are the main things which you should know about hypertension. So please take care.
Issued in public interest by Unison Pharmaceuticals.
ಇವರನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಇವರ ಫ್ಲೈಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ? ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಇವರ ಫೇವರೇಟ್ ಐಕಿಯಾ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಈಗ ನ್ಯೂ ಲೋವರ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇವೆ.
ಮಲಗಿದ್ನೇನು? ಇವತ್ತು ಗುಡ್ ನೈಟ್ ಹೇಳೋ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಹೇಳಿದ್ಯಲ್ಲ. ಗುಡ್ ನೈಟ್ ಹೇಳಲು ಹಲವು ಮಾರ್ಗಗಳಿವೆ. ಗುಡ್ ನೈಟ್ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್